Members of savings and credit cooperative societies who default on their loans will have trouble borrowing from banks as cooperatives begin sharing information with credit reference bureaus. Now, the Sacco Societies Regulatory Authority, or Sasra, has cautioned Saccos to be wary of members who are out to take loans with the intention of not repaying, even if they're in a position to pay off their debt obligations, as it tightens the noose on bad borrowers. Philip Keitani has that report.
The Sacco Society Regulatory Authority now insists that the character of borrowers is more important than their ability to service their loans. Last year, cooperative registered with Sasra had 8.9 billion shillings in loans that were not being paid off, necessitating the need to keep tabs on defaulters.
Once we are trusted, then we can be able to use our credit facilities to consume even when you don't have cash.
The latest move is part of efforts by the Sacco movement to weed out serial loan defaulters from the subsector and to ensure Saccos have enough funds for on-lending. The defaulters will not only be banned from Saccos, but also make it difficult for them to access loans from other financial institutions, including commercial banks, microfinance institutions, and the Higher Education Loan Board.
The easiest and the fastest way to kill a Sacco is to fail to collect the loans that you have given.
Information sharing is likely to help reduce bad loans further as banks send defaulters seeking credit back to Saccos that had them blacklisted to settle the outstanding amount. Loans are classified as being default after they go for 90 days without any payment. The move is expected to tighten the noose on bad borrowers who try to access credit from lenders that do not have a full view of their debt.
Good credit history, you then get good credit scores, and those credit scores will then begin to impact at the rate on the price that you borrow and the terms that you get from either the Saccos themselves or the member.
More than 50 Saccos or credit unions have started listing defaulters, with others issuing notices of intention to join the platform. Philip Keitani, KTN Business.